Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an overview of the AI Writer on Simplified. Whether you're a blogger, freelancer, student, or just need a little extra help with your writing, this is definitely a tool that can make a difference for you. To access all things AI writing, simply click on the AI Writing icon in the top toolbar. This will bring you to the home page, where you'll find everything you need on the left-hand side menu. You have your search bar, document tool, templates, saved AI results, and your assets. At the very top of the home page, you'll see three options to get started with the AI Writer: a new document, an AI template, or the full blog wizard. The full blog wizard is a powerful tool that takes you through a 4-step process to create a complete blog. It writes your title, description, outline, and even the body text for you. First, let's dive into the AI templates. When you choose a template, the AI is smart enough to know exactly how to write in the format you need. For example, if you're crafting an email, the AI will format it as an email. If you're creating an Amazon product title, it knows how to write an SEO-friendly title that can help your product stand out on Amazon. You'll find categories that make it easier to find the template that's right for you. So, explore and remember, AI templates are perfect when you need something specific and fast. Next, let's talk about the document format. The long-form writer is where you can write blog articles, outlines, or even a book. On the right-hand side, you'll see some icons that represent tools available to you. The first is the AI Toolkit, followed by the AI templates, and you also have access to a plagiarism checker to ensure your content is original. Keyboard shortcuts are also available to speed up your workflow. Now, I'm going to show you how to write a blog with the AI Toolkit. Start by typing in your topic and select Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll have results. If you're not happy with the first round, you can keep generating new results until you find something you like. Once you do, use the plus button to add it to your document, or you can favorite, copy, or delete the generated text. Editing your document is simple too. You can rename your document by clicking on the title, and you can see the author and the last update date. Adding comments is easy. Just hover over the title, click Add Comment, and tag a team member using the symbol. They'll get notified by email and can reply to your comment, edit it, or resolve it. There are more writing tools to help you out. Highlight any sentence, and you'll see options to have the AI write more, rewrite, or continue your writing. You can also expand on your ideas, check for plagiarism, or even publish to social media directly from the document. I'll show you how easy it is to have the AI continue your writing. Just click the option, and in seconds, you'll have more text to work with. You can choose to insert it into your document or replace the highlighted text. One of my favorite features is Grammarly integration. Any spelling or grammar mistakes will be caught by the AI, and it offers suggestions in just a click. And don't worry about losing your work, all your progress is saved automatically. Simplified also provides a wide range of document editing tools in the top toolbar. A quick trick is to press the slash key, which opens up all the different tools you can use, from the AI assistant to comments, formatting options like quotes, dividers, and even embedding media like YouTube videos or Figma files. These features make your writing more collaborative, complete, and easier to manage. Now, let's check out the preview button, where you can see how your document looks. If you want to share your document, just toggle the share button on, and a link will appear. You can copy this link to share it with anyone, whether they're on your Simplified team or external contacts. You can also invite people directly by email, and track who has access to your document. The export button lets you download your document to your device, or you can publish directly to social media through Simplified's content calendar, including platforms like WordPress. The gear icon in the top toolbar allows you to rename your document or save it as a template for future use. You can also view all your recent documents with just one click. Finally, Simplified has a media library that makes it easy to add images or other media to your document. You can upload your own photos, browse through Simplified's photo libraries, or even add logos. It's all about making your document look exactly the way you want it. And when it comes to staying organized, Simplified has you covered. You can view all your saved AI results, recent documents, and assets using the icons in the toolbar. You can also create folders to keep different projects organized. One last thing, Simplified offers tutorials for every AI feature. There are tons of videos full of tips and tricks to help you become a better writer with Simplified's AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on how to simplify your writing with AI. See you in the next video.